How to set up 2FA or two-factor authentication on Binance. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from Help Deck, and in today's guide video I'll simply show you how you can actually go ahead and then set up two-factor authentication on Binance. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now all you have to do is go ahead and launch the Binance application on your device, and then make sure to simply tap on your profile icon, which is at the very top left hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the profile icon, scroll down to the bottom and choose the option called security. And once you go to the security option over here, you have four options such as your biometrics and security key, your Binance or Google authentication key, or you can try to verify with your email address or your SMS. So just choose any of the two-factor authentication method that is convenient for you. The one that Binance itself recommends is biometrics and security key, and the other is the SMS. So depending upon whatever 2FA you want, I'll just go to the option called, let's say, SMS. And what you want to do is simply turn on SMS authenticator, and you have to go ahead and then simply search for your region over here. Once you search for your region, make sure to enter the mobile number. So once you enter the mobile number as well, just tap on the confirm button. Now first of all, a send will be code to your phone number in order to verify it. So just tap on the send code button on the right hand side of the mobile number. So just wait until you go ahead and receive a code from Binance. So as you can see, we have successfully received a code from Binance. So I'll just copy it, I'll come back to Binance, and then I'll paste it. Once I paste that, the next thing I will do is I'll also go ahead and simply send the code to my email address. So I'll just tap on the send code to my email. Now I'll go ahead and then open up my email over here and then refresh it a couple of times in order to get my verification code from Binance. So just try to refresh it as well. Now as you can see at the very top, I have the code verification code from Binance. So I'll just go ahead and copy this code, and then I'll come back and then I'll simply go ahead and paste it, and now I'll tap on the submit button. And once I do that, I have successfully enabled two-factor authentication, which is SMS authentication on my Binance. You can also review some other options if you want to. That's all it takes to turn on two-factor authentication on Binance. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.